Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing a healthy black pepper Lehya. This is usually given to new mothers to reduce body ache and backache after delivery. Ingredients are black pepper 1 cup, Jaggery 1.5 cup, and salt 1 teaspoon. First, thoroughly wash the black peppercorns. Then, add 1 cup of water to the washed black pepper and place it in a pressure cooker. Close the lid and cook it for about 6 to 7 whistles. Then, remove the vessel from the pressure cooker, keep it aside and allow it to cool down completely. Then, filter the excess water from the cooked black pepper and keep it aside for further usage. Do not throw it away. Then transfer the cooked black pepper into a blender jar. Grind it into a smooth paste. If required, use the filtered black pepper water to grind it. Now place a thick bottomed pan over the stove and add the prepared black pepper paste to it. Also, add the remaining filtered black pepper water to it and mix it properly. Then add 1.5 cup of jaggery to it and mix it properly. This Lehya is very useful in monsoon and winter seasons as it produces heat in the body. It is also useful in reducing phlegm, cough, cold, body ache and joint pains. This Lehya is also very good for digestion. This Lehya is prepared by using fresh black pepper fruits in Malanad region of Karnataka. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt to it and mix it well. Allow this mixture to boil. This mixture must be boiled until it attains a thick jam-like consistency and the Lehya starts to separate from the bottom of the vessel. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to achieve the desired consistency of the Lehya. Keep stirring the mixture in between. Now the Lehya is separating from the bottom of the vessel, hence it is ready. At this stage, turn off the flame and allow the Lehya to cool down completely. Then transfer it into an airtight bottle. This can be stored for about 1 year. To use, take about half a teaspoon of the prepared Lehya, add it to hot rice, add a pinch of salt, a little bit of ghee and a few drops of lemon juice to it. Mix all these properly and consume it as the first morsel of food. New mothers must consume this twice daily up till 3 months after childbirth. Try this remedy and share your feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.